What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you real quick. Wanted to show you something, man, that I found out that I didn't know. So say if you have a work truck, most work trucks have this feature in it where you can be able to set it. So as you see, that's the regular miles, like my regular meter. And then that's how many miles on the truck. And then you can set your personal miles. And then you got business miles. So when you get ready to go leave and go to a day to go do something, you can just click here. It'll calculate your miles when you go to and for and back, and then you can click back over once you're using it to your personal miles, and then you can do your personal. But this is an easy way to keep up with your mileage. If you want to keep up with your mileage, to be able to know how much money that you are spending in gas, and to see exactly what the government would give you back. I think it's like 60 cents a mile. So that way it's just easy to keep track with how many miles you're actually accumulating on your vehicle. But honestly, I did not know that this feature existed. So I was like, I'll be damned. I'm like, let me show my folks about this, because I know somebody else might knew this, but I honestly didn't know that it had a business setting. You know what I mean? I knew it had a regular mile setting or whatever, or you have one or two, but I didn't know it said business. So this was kind of neat to me. This is my 2004 Chevrolet Z71 four-wheel drive, and it has it in it. So I know probably from 2000s on up, probably got this feature available. But I just thought it was pretty neat. Like I say, I'm out here just stopping to get some gas, and I'm about to get ready to hit this road again. But wanted to show you that, man, because I thought it was pretty neat. Hog on.